Ever wondered how a drone masters the sky? It's not just a toy, it's a flying supercomputer. From motors to aerodynamics, let's strip it down. The frame, carbon fiber, makes it light but strong. Powerful brushless motors provide the necessary lift. Electronic speed controllers manage every single rotation. Inertial measurement units keep it perfectly balanced. Magnetometers help the drone know its orientation. GPS ensures precise hovering within centimeters. High-density LiPo batteries fuel the entire flight. The barometer measures air pressure to hold altitude. Spin in opposite pairs for perfect stability. PID algorithms make thousands of tiny corrections every second. Radio links ensure instant response to pilot commands. Telemetry sends vital health data back to the pilot. Flow sensors allow precise indoor hovering. Ultrasonic pings prevent the drone from hitting the ground. When lift exceeds weight, the drone defies gravity. Pitch, roll, and yaw, the three axes of flight. High thrust-to-weight ratio allows for insane speeds. Scan the environment to detect hidden obstacles. LiDAR creates a 3D map of everything around the drone. Dual cameras provide depth perception for safer flight. Infrared sensors help drones navigate in low-light conditions. The AI brain calculates the safest path in milliseconds. E-cameras give the pilot a bird's-eye view in real time. Mechanical gimbals cancel out every shake and vibration. Digital algorithms smooth out video without moving parts. Smart tracking allows the drone to follow any target. Low latency is the key to high-speed drone racing. Your remote sends complex digital commands at light speed. The receiver translates radio waves into flight actions. Frequency hopping prevents interference from other devices. Special antennas ensure a solid link even behind obstacles. Modern protocols allow control over several kilometers. Digital systems provide crisp HD video with zero noise. It's preferred for its near-zero latency in racing. Binding creates a unique secure link for your drone only. Fail-safes prevent runaways if the signal is ever lost. Shielding protects sensitive electronics from magnetic noise. Smart RTH brings the drone back when the battery is low. Waypoints allow for fully automated mission planning. Geofencing keeps drones away from restricted airspaces. Acro mode gives the pilot 100% manual control. Ensures precise height even over uneven ground. Black box data helps engineers diagnose flight issues. Firmware updates constantly improve flight performance. Orbit mode creates perfect cinematic circular shots. BMS monitors every cell to prevent battery failure. Leaks and airflow prevent the electronics from overheating. Aerodynamic shapes minimize drag for maximum speed. The pitch of a propeller determines its bite into the air. Ducts protect the props and increase low-end thrust. Dampers eliminate jello effect in your video footage. A perfect center of gravity is key to stable flight. Folding designs make high-tech drones ultra-portable. Retractable gear stays out of the camera's 360-degree view. Engineered plastics and alloys ensure extreme durability. Mass centralization improves the drone's agility in air. Strategic venting keeps the flight controller cool. Thermal sensors detect heat signatures through smoke and darkness. Multispectral sensors help farmers monitor crop health from above. LiDAR can see through trees to map the earth below. Heavy-lift octocopters carry payloads up to 20 kilograms. Drones deliver life-saving supplies to unreachable locations. High-zoom cameras inspect infrastructure without risking human lives. Swarm intelligence allows drones to coordinate as a single unit.
Not all drones fly. Some explore the depths of the ocean.
Solar wings allow drones to stay airborne for months. Delivery drones are the future of logistics. Motor cleaning ensures a long life for your drone. Even a small crack can lead to a catastrophic crash. Store lipos at storage voltage to maintain their health. Fully autonomous drones are becoming smarter every day. Hydrogen fuel cells could give drones hours of flight time.
Giant drones will soon serve as air taxis for humans.
A perfect harmony of hardware, software, and physics. Now you know the incredible tech behind every flight. Want more inside stories on American engineering? Subscribe to American Made Insider for more.